What is up, guys? This is Moritz here from Section Store once again, and today we will be having a look at this YouTube video grid tab section we just brought out. You can either link it to YouTube videos or whatever videos you actually prefer. It does come with this tab option right here, so you can do a little selection of your favorite videos, and then you can do another one here. And in this video we're going to fill this tab section with content so you can see how the section itself actually works, and at the end of the video I'm also going to show you how you can customize the whole thing to your likings. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. The app I used for this whole thing is called Section Store. You can get it completely for free in the Shopify App Store, and then you just head on over to the Shopify admin area where you open it up in the left bottom corner right here. Then you're going to click on Explore Sections, and if you're pretty new to the release date of the video, you should be able to find it right here. If not so, you just type in Video Grid Tabs in the search bar right here. But yeah, we're just gonna click on this one. I do already own this section, and like I already said, the app itself is completely free, but some of our sections do come with a small fee of $9, like this one. But that means if you bought it once, you're gonna hold this thing forever, and you're not gonna need a developer or anything, and you can still customize it to your liking. So I think at the end of the day, it is a pretty good deal. All right, I'd say we just jump right back to the Section Store main area, where we're gonna have a look at the section again. Here we can see it got successfully downloaded, and we wanna install it to our theme as well. In my case, it's the Dawn Light theme, and you just have to click on that, and then you can easily open up the theme editor right here. All right, I've already done so. That's the one you saw in the beginning of the video. I'm just gonna go out of there. So you just simply scroll all the way down, click on Add Section, and then type in SS Video Grid Tabs. So yeah, that is the one. I've already put it in right here, and it will come with a little default version, and the default ones will look like the ones you saw in the beginning. So if you click on the how-tos, that's how the default ones will actually look like, and we're gonna fill those ones with content as well. So we're just gonna click on one right here. So as you can see here, we got this random defaults Shopify video right here. We could either select one from Shopify from our content list, or we could just put it in from YouTube, and that's what we're gonna do. And here we would just wanna include some older videos. So let's just go down here, and what you have to do actually to grab them is just click on share, and then we're gonna copy this link right here and simply paste it in. And I will just do the other ones off screen real quick so I can save you some time with that. But as you can see here, you can already see the display of the video, and always make sure to save up the sectioner so it doesn't come to any unnecessary crashes. But that is looking good already. As you can see here, that is getting loaded up, and I'm just gonna see you in a second after filling those ones with content as well. So yeah, here we are back once again. I filled the rest of those tabs with some content with those 3 videos, and I also added a 4th one. So I'm gonna explain you a little thing you have to do. So here you can see the tab title for the video, and here it's gonna be how-tos. I'm gonna copy that one, and here I show you if you create one of those tabs, you actually have to click on Add Block and add a new tab, and that's the one I'm referring to. That's the how-tos, and you have to name the video. It's gonna be this one in that case, exactly how you also named the tab. So I'm gonna paste in that how-tos. And now, after the page successfully reloaded, we should be able to see that if I'm gonna save it up here real quick, that the video will also get listed in there. That's really important that you really take care of the naming, so the tab can actually notice that the naming is gonna be the same in that case. So let's just head back and have a look at it when it's loaded up. It always takes a little bit, and see when it did. So yeah, here we are back once again, and now as you can see, the new video, which just got renamed in the title right here, also how-tos now, same as the tab title, is now also getting shown in that one right here. So that means we did a good job, and we can continue with me showing you how you can customize the whole block itself. So now I showed you how you can add videos, and now I'm gonna give you a quick overview how you can add a lot of other things, like changing the icon right here. The default one is the YouTube icon. We can change the size of that one, for example. So you can see here, it's gonna get a bit smaller. Also, the headline is something I changed. I'm just gonna type in tutorial right here so you can see what I'm actually speaking about. and also the text underneath. All the sizes are changeable as well, the alignments. So there's a lot of stuff you can actually do with that section. I'm just gonna go through it in a bit of a rush manner. So I think at the end of the day, you just wanna customize it to your likings. You can change the list width, so those two have like a little gap in between, that's changeable. The item size and the grid is something we can do some playings as well, like how many items we want to see per row. We could either do 2, 3, or 4, so 4 videos will be next to each other, but I'm just gonna skip this for now. And the mobile is also something we could do some changes. So you can see here, you're gonna get those little arrows right here to navigate through them, and that's something we could change the size as well. And also that little text down there. And the last thing we can change is the button, of course. So here you can see the little icons, and we could set it to a certain product or something. I'm just gonna link it to one of our products. So let's do this thing right here. Of course, it doesn't make sense, but I just want to show you that you can add a link to it. And here we can change all the colors of the different items and little sections included in that thing, like the button color, the title of the whole thing, and I've already done some changes to that. Here I changed the heading color. I could, for example, change it back to red. Just want to show you how it works. And that pretty much brings us to the end of the customization part. As you can see, there are many other options, but I just wanted to give you a quick little overview. I'm going to save it all up and see you in a second with the actual live version of this section, and after that we can round it up. Alrighty, here we are back once again with the actual live version of the section in our store. As you can see here, all the tabs we added to this one, all the little videos to this tab, are getting shown, and also our favorite ones we already added before this video. And here we can click on that as well. Here we linked it to a product, but of course it would make more sense to just link it to the YouTube channel. But how you use this section is up to you at the end of the day. But I hope you guys found that useful, and if you did, always feel free to leave a like and a follow. Definitely helps us to keep up that motivation. And if you have own suggestions about sections we should build in the future, always feel free to leave them in the comment section as well. And with that being said, have a good one, guys, and peace out. See you.